Hi friends, this is video for Module 2, Lesson 3. Last night I was thinking, what tools do I use to help me when I'm solving a math problem? And then I thought about my favorite math tool, the 10 frame. Ooh, friends, I love the 10 frame. Do you know I like the 10 frame? I like it because it helps keep me organized. As soon as that 10 frame is filled up, I know right away I have 10. Let's go ahead and fill it up so you can see the 10 that I have. Uh, Wait a minute. That's not 10. Friends, how many do you see in there? 9. You only see 9 in my 10 frame? Oh my goodness, this is not a 9 frame. Oh, well, I need to fix this. Can you help me? How many more do I need to add to that 10 frame in order to get 10? That's right, 1. Because I know 9 plus 1 equals 10. Thank you for helping me. Today when we do our math, we're going to think about this 10 frame and how it tried to be a 9 frame. We're going to think about how I had 9 and I need to get 1 more to make a 10. By the end of this lesson, our learning goal says that I'll be able to say I can find a 10 when one of the add-ins is a 9. Let's try it. KARI has 9 blackfish and 3 goldfish in her tank. How many fish does she have in her fish tank? All right, now when I say read it again, I'm going to draw a picture to go along with each part so I can show my thinking. KARI has 9 blackfish, here we go, and 3 goldfish in her fish tank. How many fish does she have in her tank? I know our learning goal said to make a 10 to help us add up faster, so I'm going to do that. We already talked about how 9 plus 1 more equals 10, so I'm going to circle the 9 plus 1 more. There we go, perfect. If I said that in a sentence, I would be saying 9 and 1 more make 10. Now all I have to do is take my 10 and add in the parts that I didn't add in yet. You know, those 2 gold pieces. So 10 and 2 make, let's count up, 10, 11, 12. Oh, perfect. 12. That means KARI has 12 fish in her fish tank. You're doing great. Let's do it again. Last night, I made a cake. I put 9 blue flowers on the left side and 6 pink flowers on the other side. You know what? How about you do this one with me? Can you make sure that you have your dry erase board or your math journal? We're going to try this one together. If you don't have those things, can you go ahead and press pause, go get your materials, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, you should be ready if you've pressed play to go ahead and solve this problem with me. Let's try it. It says, last night I made a cake. I put 9 blue flowers on the left side. Can you go ahead and show me on your dry erase board or in your math journal 9 blue flowers? Press pause until you've have those drawn. Okay, do you have your 9 blue flowers? All right, now we're going to go ahead and draw the 6 pink flowers that are on the other side. Go ahead, you draw 6 pink flowers. Perfect. All right, hopefully you pause to make sure you have your good drawings down. Does yours look like mine? I had 9 blue flowers and then 6 pink flowers. Now look I made sure that mine were nice and neat. The reason I did that is it's going to help me when I have to circle. I don't want it to be a hot mess. Remember, I'm thinking of that 10 frame and how it's so organized. All right, our learning goal said that we need to have 9 and then make it into a 10. So go ahead right now. Press pause while you circle your 10. Good, this is what I circled. All right, so if I'm going to figure out how many flowers I have all together, I could say 9 and 1 more make 10. Then I could say, after I've made that 10 and, oh goodness, how many pink flowers do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 10 and 5 make 15. Oh, wow, I was busy putting all those flowers on a cake. Did you get 15? You did? You're doing amazing. Good job. Go ahead and pause it while you erase your board and press play when you're ready. Okay, let's try another one. I read 9 books last week and 4 books this week. I'm a reading machine. How many books have I read? Okay, it's your turn to draw. I read 9 books last week. Go ahead and draw 9 books to show the ones that I read last week. Okay, so I read 9 books last week and then 4 books this week. All right, go ahead and draw your 4 books for this week. Good. Does your picture look like mine? I read 9 books last week and 4 books this week. Uh-oh. Friends, I made a mistake. It says I read 4 books. Did I make 4 books? No, I only made 3. Whoopsie. It's really important to make sure that you're counting, that you wrote, that to make sure that your picture matches what the story says. Whew, thanks for helping me out on that one. Okay, so now our pictures should match. Again, they need to be really organized, nice and neat. All right, so it says I read 9 books last week and 4 books this week. How many books did I read altogether? I'm going to go ahead and circle to make my 10. You do it too. Yeah, because 9 plus 1 more, that's going to make 10. I could say 9 and 1 make 10. And then now I just have to add my 10 to what's left over. So 10 and 3 make, let's count up, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you get 13 as your answer? Oh, good job. I was busy reading and you've been busy doing math. Go ahead and pause it while you erase your board. All right. Okay, friends, this is the one that you're going to go ahead and make and send to your teacher. I'm going to read it to you. I want you to go ahead and make sure that on your dry erase board or in your math journal, you're drawing out beautiful pictures, making them nice and organized so I can see your thinking. Here we go. Gunner gave his dog Flash 9 new balls and 2 dog bones. He's a good owner. How many fun things did Gunner get for his dog? I'm going to go ahead and read it again for you. Gunner gave his dog Flash 9 new balls and 2 dog bones. How many fun things did Gunner get for his dog? Now for this story, I want you to go ahead and draw the pictures just like we've been doing. All right? I want you to go ahead and draw the 9 balls and then the 2 dog bones. Circle your 10 and then fill in this bottom part. 9 and what make 10? And then 10 and what make how many fun things Gunner got for Flash. Make sure that when you're done, you seesaw this to your teacher. My recommendation is to go ahead and pause right now so that you can see the story problem and you know the information that you have to send to your teacher. I'm going to read it one more time. Gunner gave his dog Flash 9 new balls and 2 dog bones. How many fun things did Gunner get for his dog? Good luck, friends.